Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos every week on how to do easy cocktails that can be done at home. If you haven't seen my previous video, check the link in the description below or you could check it somewhere up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do 5 dark rum based cocktails. Today's first cocktail is going to be Maple Morning. A Maple Morning is based with maple syrup, dark rum, lime juice and orange bitters. So let's get started. Keep your rock glass aside. Take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add about 60 ml of dark rum. I'll be using a Bacardi Black. You can use any preferred dark rum that you have at home. There you go. Add about 30 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. There you go. 2 dashes of orange bitters. And 20 ml of maple syrup. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. And you can directly just pour it in the glass. There you go. So to garnish your drink, you can use an orange zest or cherry, whichever one do you have. So I'll be going with a orange peel. Just put it in the glass. And a cherry. There you go. That's your Maple Morning. That's an amazing cocktail. You gotta try this, guys. And if you really want to know what it tastes like, make sure you try it. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Painkiller. Painkiller is based with dark rum, orange juice, pineapple juice, coconut cream and nutmeg for garnish. So let's get started. Take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add about 30 ml of orange juice and 30 ml of pineapple juice. I have already pre-matched the juice, so it's going to be easy for me. There you go. Add about 30 ml of coconut cream. There you go. Add about 60 ml of dark rum. There you go. And take your shaker. Give it a nice vigorous shake to incorporate the coconut cream. Take your rock glass and just pour it in the glass. There you go. So to complete your drink, you need orange, pineapple and a nutmeg. So take your orange, just put it in the glass and take your slice of orange and just drop it in the glass like that. And to finish it, take your nutmeg and just give it a nice little grate over it. That's your Painkiller. Cheers. That's an interesting cocktail, guys. You gotta seriously try this. So anyway, cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's Island Handshake. This cocktail is based with dark rum, blue curacao, plantain puree, spice syrup, and lime juice. So take your shaker, add about 5 chunks of pineapple, there you go. Take your muddler, give it a nice muddle. Add about 30 ml of the plantain puree. There you go. 20 ml of spice syrup. $15 ml of the blue curacao. $20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And 60 ml of the dark rum. Don't forget to add the ice, guys. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. Take your highball, or if you don't have a highball, you can use any glass, so directly pour it in the glass. There you go. To garnish your drink, all you need is pineapple leaves. So just take about 3 or 4 pineapple leaves. Just put it in the glass. That's your Island Handshake. Cheers. That's interesting. You gotta try that, guys. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's Hurricane. Hurricane is based with passion juice, or if you don't have a passion juice, you can use a passion puree, dark rum, and lime juice. So again, take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add about 60 ml of dark rum. $30 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And just top it up with a passion juice or the passion puree, whichever one you have. So I'll be using a passion fruit puree. There you go. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake again. Take your Hurricane glass, or if you don't have a Hurricane glass, you can use any other glass that you have at home. That's your Hurricane. To finish a drink, all you need is a garnish. So you could use lime or the lemon or a mint sprig. So I'll be using a mint sprig. There you go. And a lime bill. Cheers. That's your Hurricane. That's a pretty sweet drink. If you love passion fruit, you gotta try this. Cheers anyway. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's Planter's Punch. Planter's Punch is based with Angostura bitters, orange juice, pineapple juice, Grenadine and dark rum. So take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you can use any glass at home. Add about 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. You can add ice now. Add equal quantity of orange juice and pineapple juice. There you go. Add about a dash of grenadine. Just let it sink in the bottom. There you go. And now all you need is to add 60 ml of dark rum. So you gotta float that dark rum. So take your 60 ml. And make sure you pour it slowly. There you go. So to complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. So I'll be using an orange with a cherry. You just put it in, and that's your Planter's Punch, guys. Cheers. Don't forget to mix the drink before you drink it. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment below and smash the subscribe button. Anyway, cheers and enjoy. Until then, peace.